Hey everyone, this is Craig Cohagen, sales manager right here at Permian Ford. I just wanted to take a moment and thank you so much for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions about anything you see, please give us a call at the number you see below. Thank you and have a great day.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed intermittent wipers, backup camera. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.